We've talked a lot about GTmetrix testing tool as being the best tool for benchmarking for your speed testing. What we've not talked about is the Google testing tool, which is a bit strange, isn't it? But the Google testing tool is something that you should keep your eye on. I don't recommend that you use it as a bench testing tool because it's a little bit more complicated and it doesn't give you the level of detail that you really need to solve your speed problems. So PageSpeed Insights is of course the Google testing tool. Let's give you a quick look now at Google PageSpeed Insights to show you some tips and tricks. Let's have a look. Now, of course, first of all, the link is sitting up here. That's the way to get in here. And notice straight away I'm getting 100. Yay for my website. And you've got mobile and desktop. So mobile is the default view, and that is the one that you must keep your close eye on these days. And sometimes these are quite low. So don't be too concerned if this is like 14 on mobile and 60 on desktop or 70 on desktop. That's quite common because people are sort of catching up with the mobile. But I'm red hot on mobile and red hot on desktop, 100 out of 100. So this is a very lightweight site though. That's why we're getting such high rankings. Let's have a scroll down. Let's go into the mobile. Scroll down. Just a quick couple of little tips. You can see all the metric data sitting in here. And you can expand it and collapse it. And down here, well, the bit that gets missed down here is the filtering. You can filter by the specific problems to do with specific metrics. So if you're having LCP issues, click on that. And you can see in this case, we're having an LCP issue. Oh dear. And click on the little drop down here and you can see what's going on and it gives you information about that particular file. If you want to scroll down, you can see the audits that you've passed. Yahoo! I've passed every single one, except, there's a few issues here. So we can drill down into that information to get a lot more information about the specifics. And if you want the file itself, you can hold your mouse over it to actually access the actual file. So that gives you a quick intro into PageSpeed's Insights. And again, use GTmetrix as your testing and your benchmarking tool. But keep an eye on Google testing tool, of course, because you want to see what it sees as well. If you're getting high rankings in GTmetrix, you're going to get high rankings in Google. The big difference, though, is that Google is testing from a specific location with its own specific speed testing metrics, which is not the same as GTmetrix. You can choose different locations for GTmetrix. So there is going to be a difference from that. So stick with GTmetrix for your everyday problem solving and fixing, and keep a tight eye on Google testing tool as well.